Today for the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin right now decided for the bearish scenario here by breaking down here towards the downside out of this ascending triangle. And the question everyone is asking right now is obviously, is this another fake out and we are going back here towards the 12,000 US dollar level just as we had the fake out here also with significant volume? Or is this eventually the breakdown, the bearish scenario we have been talking about with the price target all the way down here, which I will be revealing to you here also in this video? Well guys, you certainly do not want to miss out on what I have to tell you today. I will show you my game plan right now in the immediate short term, my trade on FEMAX, whether I closed it or not, what I am planning for Bitcoin here in the immediate future. And also I want to show you that a record high amount of Bitcoin options, 62,000 Bitcoin, are expiring on Friday. I want to show you historically what this is probably doing here to the Bitcoin price on Friday. Guys, one thing is for sure, you do not want to be missing out on this video, so make sure you sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up the like button to new all-time highs. I really have to say thank you because you are engaging so much on these videos, you are making so much noise for the YouTube algorithm by liking, commenting, subscribing, pressing the subscribe button, the bell, and on all, that it really helps us, and because of you we are growing so much. This support is really invaluable and I truly appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And let's get straight to the point here because this is very time sensitive now. We are breaking below this level here, not only a 4-hour on the 4-hourly candles, also on the daily candles. So I really want to be talking about what this means for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. As you remember, this here is the scenario which was the less likely one. We had like a 70% statistically here to break towards the upside. This means on the flip side, 3 out of 10 cases it breaks to the downside, and unfortunately right now we are facing this scenario. And pulling out the volume candles, you can see also significant volume is coming in. Is this a reason to completely freak out here? Well guys, I will be showing you my famous trade here on FEMAX, what I am doing with it, my game plan, and how I am acting accordingly to what is happening here right now. Wait until the end of the video. But if you watched our video 2 days ago, it was this video here, I was telling you, in case we are closing a daily candle below this line here, a daily candle, not a 4-hourly, in this case the likelihood of us would significantly increase to go further down here. You know what guys, I will show you this little clip here from 2 days ago. Once Bitcoin breaks below this support line here, which we were putting in all the way back from the 28th of July 2020, when we are breaking a daily, not a 4-hourly, a daily candle below this line, then I think the likelihood significantly increases of us finally going down here to the 10,500 US dollar level. And as you can see here, we are finding ourselves in the daily candles and we broke below, we closed below, and Bitcoin has followed through right now. Also guys, remember, we can do these videos very fast for you, but in absolute real time you get our emergency updates also on Twitter. If you are subscribed to the @MMCrypto Twitter channel, just type in MMCrypto on Twitter and you can subscribe to us. We posted yesterday, in the exact moment Bitcoin was testing the support, we said Bitcoin is right now testing support. If we close below, we might see some serious bloody price action, and if we were to go back here, you see we covered it right here and then we closed below and we already so far saw some serious bloody price action. So what is my my scenario here for the bearish case? Well guys, in case Bitcoin continues to dump further down, we would have to pull a measured move price target right now from the same side here, from the breakout point. And as you can see, even though Bitcoin would fulfill this bearish scenario, it wouldn't be the end of the world, because our price target would lead us exactly, but pretty much exactly here in our support zone below between 10.1 and 10.5 thousand US dollars. Zooming out on the daily candles, you can see that we had multiple times resistance here, and I am expecting very strong support over there. So I would be surprised if we would break this support level. However, I don't think it is all too unlikely now that we are going down here, fulfilling our bearish price target for Bitcoin right now. I have to say that here, even though I am a Bitcoin bull, in the immediate short term, things can change when the facts change, and this is why I am doing this emergency video here right now for you. Obviously guys, in case just Bitcoin does the exact same thing it did over here. Remember, we broke out towards the upside, then we were forming this falling channel. We had significant volume, but then the volume declined significantly and we broke back down below. So this was a fake out, and now it remains to see, maybe in the next, let's say 3 to 5, 3 to 6 4-hourly candles, if Bitcoin replicates that, just to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. In case we are doing that, I am almost certain, if Bitcoin breaks back in this triangle, that we are going for another retest of the $12,000 level, just as we went immediately down here after breaking down after this fake out for another retest of our support, which I also mentioned. Even though this was surprising, the follow-through dump here was not surprising for the MMCrypto community. So this is my game plan right now, and of course everyone is asking right now, and by the way guys, wait until the end of the video, I have crazy data here for record high options expiring on Friday. I want to tell you what this will do for the Bitcoin price in my opinion, and also historically, statistically speaking. Wait here until the end. I want to show you what I am doing right now with my trade on FEMAX, because everyone is asking, did you close it, did you not close it? No guys, look at this over here. You can see my trade is still open at $41,000 in profit. This is the one I opened at $9,400. I am not in another trade here, and look, it is still open guys, which is crazy considering that I am telling you that, well, the likelihood significantly increased that we are going to down to 10.5k. Why am I still having this trade open? Well, I opened it all the way down here at $9,400, and the reason why I still have it open is because this is not a short-term trade. If I would be in a short-term trade betting on the breakout direction of this triangle, I would have closed it. I would have closed it in a slight loss or whatever, but now I am still in a significant profit. It is a long-term trade, and this is the reason why I'm holding it open in case we are going down, bouncing from here. Even in this case, it would be still a very profitable and successful trade, and I am not being shaken out here from these small swings of Bitcoin towards the downside. And now I want to go into this crazy data here about the options expiring actually on Friday. And historically speaking, this gave us crazy moves for the Bitcoin price. Whenever a big bunch of options are expiring, then we can see massive volatility coming in. I want to show you the historical perspective on that. Before guys, remember, if you also want to trade on Bybit, FEMAX or whatever, I just negotiated a new higher bonus for you, which you can only get if you scroll down to our specific comment here. Now it is $522 for free. If you scroll down and you click Bybit, FEMAX or Dudex, you can get up to $522 for free by clicking our links and creating an account. It takes like 20 seconds on each platform to create an account. I have accounts on all of these 3 platforms. I am trading on all of them, and after an initial deposit you get $522 for free. But please remember that this is only for experienced traders. Even though this is a bonus, please only trade if you are experienced. This is very important for me. And this is the exact statistic I want to talk with you about, because the skew here, it is a very famous website showing like options expiring, volume, trading volume, open interest, and all of that about Bitcoin, stock markets, and so on. And they also have a Bitcoin section. And what they are showing here is that on the 28th of August 2020, look at this, 62,000 Bitcoin options are expiring here. This is like $700 million worth of Bitcoin options expiring this Friday. And the question obviously is, what is this doing for the Bitcoin price? And well, the only way to answer that is looking a little bit into the history. And what you can see here on this chart, and by the way, big shout out to my friend Didi Taihutu from the Bitcoin family, he covered that yesterday, is you can see here in this graphic how the Bitcoin price behaved in the last 2 options expiring here. And what you can see here is the first one here expiring on the 24th of April, that, look at this, exactly when it expired, the Bitcoin price had a massive move towards the upside. And then you can see the next ones expiring. It was here on the 29th of May. We had this crazy, look at this, we had this crazy shakeout to the upside and to the downside. So obviously from this picture speaking and from the statistics speaking here so far, we cannot predict the direction of this move, but we can with a certainty, but we can say that usually options expiring, a big bunch of options expiring, and you could go more back into the time and you will see that every single time it was like that, creates a lot of volatility in the market. Is it to the upside or to the downside? And the question is, what is going to happen here on the 28th of August when our new options are going to expire? As you can see here with the green line, 28th of August, and they are going to expire here. Well guys, I do think in case Bitcoin continues this downwards trajectory and goes here down to the $10,500 level or whatever, in this case, when this happens before Friday, I am very certain that the volatile move will be towards the upside, because this support level here is extremely strong. But obviously, let's wait and see if this turns to out to be another fake out, just as right here, because this is not an unlikely scenario at all. And this is already it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very important one, and this is the reason why I was waking up earlier, why I was making this video earlier here for you, because this is right now obviously extremely important also in the immediate short term. If you do appreciate these time-sensitive emergency updates, please guys, scroll down, smash up the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all. You are supporting us with all kind of engagement, with all kind of noise you are making on this video. So if everyone could just take a few seconds of your day, you make noise on the video, I would really appreciate that, and you are supporting us without even paying a dime. Thank you so much for that. You are truly the best crypto family in the world, proven right now, since we are also the channel with the highest views right now. So thank you so much for that. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, click the subscription box right here, and also if you haven't watched it already, click the Bible tutorial which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.